Thousands of inmates are being eyed by one forensic expert for registration in a DNA database. As TVJ's Dwayne Anderson reports, a former scene of crimes chief says it's critical to reducing crime.
For 4 years, Craig Duar headed the Scenes of Crimes Department of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF. He has seen firsthand the heinous crimes across the island. That's why he believes Jamaica must start collecting DNA from convicts.
When we have a person's DNA profile, we are able to search it against outstanding crimes, we are able to search it against other profiles and identify people who have given us false identities. This is a chance to make a real difference in Jamaica with crime. New crime, old crime and current crime. It doesn't matter.
Mr. Duar says he would start this DNA database by taking samples from rapists and killers who are coming to the end of their sentences.
The downside for the Department of Correctional Services in all this is your busy time starts the minute we start sampling, because you already have 4,000 people that we want on the database. JCF is going to do the work progressively. They're going to come in dribs and drabs, and they're going to be doing it forevermore. But from the Department of Correctional Services perspective, your busy time is up front with 4,000 people. You have them already, and we want them.
The former Scotland Yard cop, who now serves as a forensic evidence advisor to the Pan American Development Foundation, was speaking at a DNA forum put on by the National Integrity Action NIA. Assistant Director of Public Prosecutions Maxine Jackson, hearing the views of the former cop, put forward arguments for what would be allowed by the law.
Inmates and accused persons are getting very sophisticated, so they will not answer you, because once you're saying you're going to take it by force, reasonable force, or you're going to obtain a court order, you would have to present evidence which shows that this person is not consenting.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.